Let's talk about what we have in the History section. In the History tab, you can see 5 tabs that organize all your past activity. Under the Scenario tab, you'll see all the scenarios you've previously run. You can easily search by a specific scenario ID or client name. Or you can also filter by date, for example, viewing only this month's scenarios. In the Proposal tab, you can see all the proposals you've previously sent. Every proposal you've generated is stored here, so you can quickly review, track, or resend when needed. You can search by proposal ID or client name, and you can also filter by date, like viewing only this month's sent proposals. In the Verification tab, you can find all the pricing you've sent for price verification. In the Lock Desk tab, you'll find all the scenarios you've requested for lock. In the Submission tab, you'll find all the scenarios you've submitted.